The drummer has a big job in any band, helping to keep the time and rhythm for everybody else. If you're a beginner drum student at School of Rock, you'll learn things like drum set anatomy, two-hand coordination, standard drum notation, and eighth note fills. Once you progress, we'll get into concepts like shuffles, odd time signatures, ghost notes, and swing versus straight time. More advanced students will learn things like double bass, Afro-Cuban beats, developing speed, and creating drum solos. Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes uses eighth note fills coming in and out of each chorus. Our Song First approach teaches students the entire song, allows them to perform it live with the band, and helps them understand how they're applying eighth note fills. All of the skills and techniques taught at School of Rock for drum students are included in the method books, with exercises and notes available and tied in directly through the School of Rock Method app. School of Rock makes musicians. Start your child's musical journey today.